Zuniboto District Taekwondo WT Association for organized Korea Zuniboto District Taekwondo WT Championship Cum Selection 2026 laga second edition July 14 day Town Hall Zuniboto Pralushe. Yade 71 upper Taekwondo athletes ka naigina part lushe aro select hua ka Nagaland State Taekwondo Championship te part lobule ase. ZFTA laga working president Heto N Jepto kun guest speaker thakiche taipra khilari kange excellence bisaria homoy committed aro discipline thagibe koigina encourage kori dishe tai kuiche ki taekwondo do khali ekta sport nohoy kintu art ase kuntu pra self discipline perseverance respect aro character banai taipra sumi manu majude sports te bishi age jai thagya khan koigina taekwondo athlete Zuvie aro Subetar Hukato Hotose Sumi laga example dishe Tai Junashe ke select hua ka Nagaland State Taekwondo Championship te part lobo kuntu Kohima ne July 28 pra 30 tak thagibule se so milaigina charta institution part lushe Cornerstone Higher Secondary School Little Spring School Step by Step School aro Phoenix Taekwondo Academy ZDDA laga General Secretary aro Phoenix Taekwondo Academy laga coach Pika H Thopa Junashe ke association 2024 de shuru kurse kitya 20 ta khilari compete kurse Holibita do 70 laga upper participants ISC aro 45 June do Zuniboto de represent kribule select kurlushe yade 34 gold 14 silver 9 bronze medal athletes kan jitigina se akide ZDTA laga organizing secretary Shukai Jimopa program chair kurse sector SP CZ laga assistant pastor Hitoli IA pra invocation dishe association advisor Vikhishe Muru GP pra swagat kurishe Gokivi Aumi pra special presentation dishe association president Hogukha Yepto pra vote of thanks Junaishe
Taekwondo ipo ya to mobile pa ka ipo to vena de bonna ni ngoi ta shkal chen cho ike kish puna ne to mobile ya epi tipo kumsana tipo onna mistake ku shigela tipo rectify shura ya tipo no ona bo ke pinongula de pilai tipo onna iteno mai ki champion ke itena no dreams ipo Taekwondo ipo sport ipo art ke ike nong nei te nei po nurture shura ya nong u lo la ke kichim shura ka u ya sports la no zai ya ni nagan ko sakrem ku je jai chagasan chagrovol ko archery nei bona aje ki bishi ibere ipo online tanyu concert ne boto nei bebu ni akjo tv baga tai bandong nei ona sashin ko tish ko ge baga itaya police level ona shag je shiko ni gumzu jaje shibe sa tish wine Masha ye the latest news le bega ko new Subedar sahab otoshe short put le the international level la baga number 1 la Bangladesh ni sim jaje gam chu shi chai ti hu doi nong go nong nei the ti khsha bin la lok bushela artibo perfection should be busna nong go skill hipokon na display shala Ulola kia Zuniboto jaje mo pe taga new Nagaland la no new jaje sheslen ko dire no bula bulain ashaka shege ai nala ki pusha we ni Zuniboto Taekwondo Association hi tasatam shukan pe ya ki ulacha tipo nakshe agi ko gam zu bes panong sunai panong hard work panong teamwork only ship to la hi sasi line ko wo ve ko la panong ga jong ni ngoi ho na jaje ki district level la longlen nei ke la tish po ni itul zne ga ko nei na bulai ishi second level selection body ko shil ve na ko himala ni 28 29 30 la ila ki la ya ku ku shagam ni ma gold masha ya silver dia sana ni sa bi ne tish ku sa ki
Dimzo ina heshikin tumi shakliye ishi program hibolo punokono ajes kena kum zuna abu gila zuko dan ko gila zuko bza abu kulshi awa gashi abu ko ikul vezkem gumtsu abu awu nong buho nong kibo nong jaru nong sape nong likpela kum gazi bengebi apolo na akula kim shikin tulgani
ni ino heto en yapto ai UPS no pachani adaj ka namu para adaj ko bepze good pok kapze hi ningo zebra district le ya ku kisbze ningo ya atla kisbze atan li pako yerungyo kisbze o pesa bepze sasuma sakina akhaize akya kas ampino good pok kapze iskyono aktono shikintikyo kapes na pachani
The last match was a draw, so and now this is the final match between Nitolo Pirayani and Monchan. 29 kg, Ika Gage Mall Cornerstone, blue chest guard, the Tomola HK Hall, red chest guard.
ZAT TTS, Neopoto District Taekwondo Association, was formed on 2024, and our main objective was to promote young athletes from Neopoto District and to promote Neopoto District and to uplift Neopoto area to the state levels.
Since this is the second edition of the Neopoto District Taekwondo Championship cum selection trial, can you kindly share the significance of this year event and how is it different from the inaugural edition?
See, first Neopoto District Championship, we started off with 20 students, and then 12 students were selected to represent Zimbabwe district, which was held in Longling district 34 Nagaland State Championship. And this year's selection, around 57 students turned up for the selection count championship, and the number is growing, and we're happy about it.
We have seen a huge crowd today. Can you kindly highlight the institution included in this association?
Okay, so first, Little Spring Higher Secondary School. Total number of 20 students participated, and from Step by Step School, and also Cornerstone and Phoenix Taekwondo Academy. Our association, our main objective is to uplift Zimbabwe district. See, Zimbabwe district was left behind for almost 34 years in this very field, in Taekwondo field. So our main objective is to catch up to those districts and to bring up our own students to that level that they are performing. And luckily, we are catching up. To the young athlete, what I want to convey is be strong, don't give up, nothing comes easy, sweat out, and be a champion.